Take two. Try it again. Ooh, good boys. Coming right down the pipe there. You're swallowing it. Oh, you want it. Is that good stuff, huh? You want some cinnamon and apple? Yeah. Good stuff.
Stop staring at the spoon.
All right, down that one. You like it? Mikey likes it.
You like that? And try for a second spoonful. Come on. Stop staring at the camera and the spoon.
Oh, what? Where should I look, Mom?
What is that? Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, it tastes way better the second time. Mmm. Mmm.
Oatmeal bubbles. Those are fun. Oatmeal bubbles.
What did you mix it with?
Formula.
Formula oatmeal. I bet that's delicious.
Not your hand. No, no, no.
Okay. Good job. You got some down.
Should we stop?
I kind of got excited about it.